come. Oh, ma'am is here. I think ma'am
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Ma'am, I was having so much fun with them. I was changing their names.
What y'all were doing?
I was changing their names because I was the host.
That's nice. Okay, now it's already 15 minutes are gone. So what we will do is we'll quickly play a game first, just one round, and then we'll start the class. Okay. So
Okay.
have you understood the game? That I will take a letter.
Yep.
I will tell you any letter. Either it could be P, O, B, S, I. It could be any letter, and you have to quickly go around in your house and pick up the object with that letter. What is happening?
Like ma'am.
Oh my god. Oh
No,
my god,
now you're not stuck. Now you're not stuck. Yay.
unstable. Okay,
Now
I'll join with mobile phone as well.
okay.
So there'll be no issues.
Newton Golden. Sparrow.
I don't know. What is happening. Okay, my letter for you all is quickly. My letter for you all is B. Find anything with the letter B. Anything. B.
Bottle.
B. Okay, Umaima is the first one to get. Manha is the second. Third is Muhammad Ali. Umar has not yet come. Okay. What is this? Balloon. Oh wow, that's really nice. Okay, my bottle. Okay, even Umaima has got bottle. Okay, good. My next letter is F. F. Quickly. F.
Start.
Muhammad Ali, go run. Muhammad Ali. Scarf. Oh wow, that's nice. This is pen. Sketch pen. Okay, good, Manha. Umaima was the first one. Okay. Umar has not come yet. I'm waiting. Muhammad Ali, what is this? Muhammad Ali?
Scissor.
Oh, scissor. Wow, Umar. Umar has come up with scissor. Muhammad Ali, where is your object with S?
Cello tape. I also have cello tape. I was the first one.
Okay, good.
Okay.
My next letter, sister. Oh my God, Muhammad Ali, sister. Sister is your object. Okay. My next letter, the last one. My next letter is. Should I give you the difficult one or the easy one?
Yes. Difficult.
Easy.
Okay. F.
Oh.
F.
Oh no, I have nothing for F. Oh no.
Quickly, Muhammad Ali, run, Muhammad Ali. Football. Okay, good. Football. What else? Wow, that's nice. Umaima is the first one. What is this? Foam. Okay, foam. Okay, good, Umar. Have you got anything with F, Muhammad Ali? Have you got anything from F, Muhammad Ali? No. Okay, we'll wait for Manha.
I will not have friends.
Manha has not got anything with F. What is it? What is it, Muhammad Ali?
I was the first one.
Table.
Yes.
Table comes with T.
But it's a furniture. Table is a furniture.
Oh, F for furniture. Good. But you have to show me. You can't just tell me.
I can't hear you.
Ma'am?
What is this? Yes. Fan. Are you going to get fan for me, Manha?
Show you.
Oh, what is this? This is frying pan. Umar has got frying pan. Wow, this is really nice. What is this? No, this is not frying pan. He's doing something. Oh, foam. Okay, Umar, I can see. Don't waste that, Umar. Yes, good, Umar. Okay, let me start my class now. Hope you all are ready to
Super
present. Yes?
duper.
Yes, good. Okay, we'll start in a reverse order. Okay, we'll start with in a reverse order. So U comes before M. Yes, we'll start with U and then we'll go to M.
Oh, Mama.
Okay, so let me start. Okay, let me start with Umaima. Okay, Umaima, present what you have with you.
Okay. Mustafa.
Mustafa is not well. Manha, Mustafa is not well. I got the message. Mustafa is not. Wow, what is this? Umaima, it looks really tempting.
Down is off.
Okay, let me pin it. Okay, wait, Umaima, wait. I'll tell you when to start, okay?
Okay.
Pin and speaker view. Okay, good, Umaima. Start.
1 minute.
It's looking really yummy, Umaima.
Okay. So the
What have you made?
bedrock are the olive. I have took olive. Then the subsoil is cornflakes crushed. Then the topsoil is brown sugar, and then on that it is mayonnaise with green food coloring, and I have put some rice in it for the worm because I didn't have gummy worm.
Oh my God! But how are you going to eat the rice, Umaima?
I'm not going to eat anything, ma'am.
Why? Then give it to me, Umaima. I'm going to eat. I'll just remove the rice and I will eat it. Your salad looks really tempting.
Look,
You have to give it to me.
There is foil, ma'am. There is foil on each layer.
Oh, there's a foil. Oh my God. Okay. Then I'll separate the foil. Then I'll mix it together and I'll eat it as a salad. Umaima.
Mayonnaise, but. Yep.
Okay. That's very nice, Umaima. But one thing is missing, Umaima. Parent rock. Parent material. Where is the parent material?
Parent material and subsoil is the same, ma'am.
No, parent materials are the smaller rocks. I said no. There's a bedrock, which are the bigger rocks, and then there is a parent material, which are the smaller rocks. That's all right, Umaima, but I'm really impressed. Yes. Now, what you have to do, Umaima, is you have to. What you said, Umaima?
There was no parent material which you sent in.
I have sent it on Google Classroom, Umaima. So what you do is, I'm very impressed. It was there. See, I have sent a picture as well. If you want, I can show it to you right now as well. But that's all right. I'm really impressed, and it was looking very tempting. Wait. I'll just let me show Umaima what I was talking about.
I won't get marks.
You will get full 10 marks, Umaima. Don't worry about it. I value the effort which you all put, not the way you are learning it, okay? And I'm very impressed the way you all are learning. Can you see, Umaima, the bed material? The bed material? I've sent the same picture on Google Classroom. Okay?
Let me show you mine. Ma'am, can I show mine?
Wait, Muhammad Ali. Wait. Now, who will go next is you, Umar. Umar, you have to go next. Muhammad Ali, I will give you chance after Umar. Okay, don't worry. Everybody will get chance.
Eating mayonnaise.
Okay. Now, Umar. Wait, Umar, let me pin you first and then you go, okay? Okay, Umar, now you can go.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, mate. My name is Umar Aziz Ahmed Jadwin. Today
We can't see you.
Yes, Umar's screen has got stuck. He has some internet issues. No worries. We'll wait for Umar to come back. Umar, we can't see you, Umar. Yes, Umar.
Hello, ma'am.
Umar, we missed everything. Yes. Now we can see you again. Please start from the beginning, okay?
Okay. Hello, my name is Umar Aziz Ahmed Jadwin, and today I'm gonna open this special thing. चले शुरू करते हैं. चले शुरू करते हैं. चले शुरू करते हैं. Excuse me.
What is that? शुरू करते हैं. Umar,
Yes.
this is not Hindi class, okay? Umar,
Umar, you're stuck again.
Okay, now we cannot see Umar, right? No, Umar, we can't see you. Okay, Umar, wait. Can I give you chance in the end? Is it all right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Let me start with Manha first.
I'm eating.
I'm coming to your house. Umaima, I'm coming to your house to eat that, okay?
Okay, I'm waiting.
Manha is stuck. Okay, well, let me start with Muhammad Ali then. Muhammad Ali, are you ready?
Yummy.
Yes. Now, Muhammad Ali, you start and then I will give the chance to Umaima and Manha. Umar, I will give you chance after Muhammad Ali. Umar, I will give you chance.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Yes, Umar, I can hear you. Umar, you go next. Wait, Umar, wait. You go next after Muhammad Ali, okay? Because your screen has got stuck. So I'm giving chance to Muhammad Ali. After that, you perform, okay, Umar?
I'm actually
Yes, Muhammad Ali.
Stone. Big stone.
Wow. Okay.
And then here is the
Muhammad Ali.
dal to make the parent material. Then I use Ravi to take the sand up it, and then I use the soil which we dig and plant, and I use the dead trees and everything for the dead potteries and the cooking that.
Wow. You used coriander, kothmir for showing the organic material or the humus. Wow. And what is that white part, Muhammad Ali? The subsoil. The hello. Hello.
I cannot hear.
Muhammad Ali, what have you used for that subsoil?
He told he used rubbery.
Rubbery. Umaima, Muhammad Ali, what have you used for that white subsoil?
Muhammad, you're muted.
Muhammad, you're muted, Muhammad.
What happened, ma'am?
Yes, what have you used for subsoil, this white one?
Or Ravi ki kanji.
This is soji. Okay, fine. And this topsoil? What is this? The orange
I
part.
use the red powder, and my mother makes some other powder also, and stick and some flour. Then we put water and we made it to thick dough. We put it on the ravi like
Okay, this is everything mixed. Some powder, some atta, and color. Right? Am I right, Muhammad Ali?
yes. And the is
Okay, and then you have made a mixture.
yes.
So I can't eat, right, Muhammad Ali? I can't
Yes.
eat this.
Ma'am, I'll make another one that can be eatable.
Okay, that would be edible. Okay, Muhammad Ali, that would be great. But still, your jar is looking very, very good.
Okay.
I think so. Manha is calling me. I'll just take a call, okay?
My brown sugar fell. Yummy. Yummy.
Ma'am, can I start?
Mom is talking with my mom.
Everyone for waiting. Okay, can I ask now, Umar, Muhammad Ali? It was brilliant, and I'm really very, very impressed. The way you all have done it, it is too good. And it is really very, very tempting as well, Muhammad Ali. Umar, now you can go. Umar,
Mom,
yes, Manha. Yes,
I
Manha.
cannot log in with the laptop. Ma'am, can I?
Oh, it's all right. It's all right. Log in with your mobile phone. Don't worry, Manha. Muhammad Ali, please take a snapshot and please
Can I
send it on
start?
Google Classroom. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Umar. Now you can start.
ma'am, I can't show you.
You can't show me. You can show it, right? Even if you're using your mobile phone. Manha, you can still go ahead and show it to me.
Okay.
Huh? Okay. Now I'm pinning Umar. Okay, Umar. Now it's your turn. Please, everybody, click a picture along with you. Okay, just don't click a picture with the just the jar, but click a picture and send it in
Can I
Google
start?
Classroom along with you. Yes, yes, Umar, please. Umar, your screen has again got stuck. Umaima.
Now you can see
Yes,
me.
yes, Umar. Yes, I can see you, but your screen is getting stuck, Umar. Okay. Yes, Umar. Yeah, I can see you now.
Okay, can I start?
Yes.
Okay. Hello, mate. My name is Umar Aziz Ahmed Jadid. Today I'm gonna see what is inside this beautiful shell. And now let's begin. It's a shell. Another shell. And
Umar,
last
keep
shell.
it up. Okay, keep it little up. Yes.
And now these both are. Oh wow! This looks like a fish or something. I think it's a fossil. Thank you.
Is it done, Umar?
Yes.
Okay. Umar, but you have not shown me the layers of soil.
What?
Have you not prepared? You have not shown me the layers of soil.
Ma'am, I tried, but I can't do it.
Okay. So Umar, I'm giving you one more day. Okay, Umar. So can you do it?
Okay.
Can you make some layers of the soil, and you can use anything, Umar. Like you can use rice, you can use pulses, you can use cereals, anything, whatever you have at home, and just show me the layers of the soil. Is it okay, Umar? I'll give you one more day,
Okay.
and make a video and send it to me. Is it all right? You will
Okay.
get full 10 marks. I will not deduct any marks from you. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Umar. Good work, Umar. Now, Manha. Yes, Manha.
Yes, ma'am. Can I show?
Yes, Manha. Please.
It's so heavy.
Wow, something beautiful, Manha. Wow, this is beautiful. Please explain. What is it?
The ingredients are semolina, semolina.
Semolina. Okay, semolina. Where is semolina? At the bottom?
Yes.
Okay. Semolina you have used for what? Which rock? Which layer?
I topsoil, but it's I waited for a night, but it's come on the bedrock.
Okay, bedrock. Okay, this. Okay, semolina you have used for bedrock. Then?
And then I have beach stones, white and black both. Can you see?
Yes. Okay, so you have used beads. Okay, yes. To show the parent material. Yes, the second layer
Yes.
from bottom. Yes, okay. Okay, then what
And
is the third layer? What is that yellow one?
frames. Frames.
What is it?
Frames.
Frime.
Right.
What is it?
It's like
Uh,
very hard.
slime. Okay, slime.
Not
Is it
slime.
slime you said?
Frames. Frames.
Right. Can you tell me the spelling, Manha? Frames.
1 minute.
It starts with?
F.
Okay.
F-R-A-I-M-S.
Frames. Okay. Okay, Manha. Okay, go ahead. Okay.
It's very hard. We fry it. We fry it.
Fries.
Fry and
Fries.
Fries.
Okay, fries.
Frames.
Okay.
Frames.
Okay. Then what else? It's looking very good.
And-
Then after that,
And
for
it is
the
cold.
fries you
And
have
it
used
is
for
cold.
subsoil. What is this? This is coal.
Cold.
Cold. Okay, this is
Cold
cold.
for organic. I will tell you. I mixed beach stones,
Okay.
semolina, frames, beach stones, both white and black, and coal.
Coal. Okay. And what is on the top? The green part.
Green, that is what we call in Hindi palak.
Okay, that is palak. But that palak is used for what? Which
Or
layer?
organic layer, the green part.
Okay, for the organic material. It is looking really
I made
good.
I made 3 samples, 2 more. I will show you.
Davud, I'm in the class. Davud, please. Oh my God. Davud.
See,
Hello.
I made
Oh
3.
wow. 3 jars. Oh wow. Show me the glass one, the bigger one.
This one.
Yes, the bigger glass. Yes. Oh wow. Now I can see the semolina, which is the bedrock. Then you have some beads, the brown color or white color beads, which is used for parent material. Then there's a fries, which you have used for subsoil. Then there's a coal, which you have used for topsoil, and the palak, which you have used for organic material. Am I right, Manha?
Yes, yes, perfect.
Good, good, perfect. Oh my God. Okay, but can you eat that, Manha?
Means the coal.
Yes, whatever you have made, can you eat it? Is it edible?
Um,
No, you can't. Oh no, then I'm not coming to your house. No, 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 I can't. Okay, I have to
Ma'am?
go to only Umaima's house to eat everything. Okay.
Ma'am, actually
Okay.
my
Yes.
new soil layer which is eatable, I will show you tomorrow with Umar's soil layer.
Show it to me. Listen, Muhammad Ali, don't show it to me tomorrow. Bring it to my house tomorrow, okay? Make your layer
But I don't
and then get it to my house.
eat.
We'll eat
I
together.
To eat.
I put water also. I put water also. Yes. Do also,
You have
ma'am.
added water as well. No, no, no. You come to my house. We'll eat together, okay?
Ma'am, but I
Muhammad
don't know
Ali?
where is your house only.
I'll give you the address. Don't worry.
Okay.
Muhammad Ali, ma'am just wants to eat that.
Make it very nice one, okay? What are you going to use? Are you going to use vegetables or are you going to use fruits or are you going to use chocolates and cake?
Chocolate biscuits.
Okay, then definitely you come to my house. I'll give you the address.
No,
Okay.
you have to. Muhammad Ali, I'm your friend, right? I'm your best friend, na? I'll
So
make
don't
you my
share it with Umaima.
You're my Abuka friend also. You're my Abu's friend also.
Okay, what is the time? It's already time up. Oh my God.
Okay, bye
Okay,
bye.
let me.
Bye.
No, Maima.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Okay, we will not
Bye-bye.
do much today. We will not do much today, but only few things which is going to come for your exams. So I have to share it with you all.
What?
Okay. Yes.
Bye.
Okay.
Oh no.
We'll do only one type of soil. Okay, only one type of soil. Okay, there are 3 types of soil. One is loamy soil, sandy soil, and clay soil. Okay, there are 3 different type of soil which I have asked you, right?
There's one more
Like,
type of soil.
tell me which
There's
one.
one more.
Tell me.
Man, there's one more.
Yes, there is one more, but we will do only 3 types of soil. Yes, Umar, are you? Can I hear Umar? Yes, Umar.
Mama revised all, ma'am. Yesterday only. Mama revised all yesterday, I remember.
Okay, so these are the 3 types of soil. Okay, loamy soil, sandy soil, and clay soil. Okay, so today we are only going to focus on sandy soil. Okay. Okay, but what is soil? What is soil? Can you tell me? Can anyone tell me what is soil?
Soil is the land.
Yes,
Soil or land.
soil is the land. It's
Sand.
mitti. Okay, soil is the land. It's a sand. Okay, the uppermost layer which you could see and where you walk, that is a soil. Okay, so you can call as like it is the skin of the earth. Okay, it is like a skin of the earth.
Ma'am, it's mitti, ma'am.
Okay,
Trusting you, ma'am. It's
yes,
not
it's
sand.
mitti, but there are Manha, but there are different types of mitti or different types of soil. Okay, so we are going to do only one type of soil, which is sandy soil. Where do you find this sandy soil? Quickly see the screen and tell me.
That is gecko, na? Chopati. Chopati and the desert.
Chapati, okay.
And the desert.
Chapati and desert.
And the
Yes.
desert.
So you will find, yes, you will find the sandy soil only on beaches and in desert. So those type of soil are called as sandy soil. But is it good for plants? Is sandy soil good for plants?
No.
Is sandy soil? No. Nothing. If
No.
you have seen on beaches, you will not find enough plants, okay? And in desert, you will not find plants. So this type of soil, which is called as sandy soil, is not good for plants. Why it is not good for plants, I will tell you. Okay, because if you touch the sand, okay, on the beach, you must definitely have touched the sand, right? How does it feel? How does it feel? Who can tell me?
Very smooth and dry.
No, it doesn't feel smooth. You could feel the texture. You could feel the particles of the sand, right? Yes or no, Muhammad Ali? Yes. So the particles of sandy soils are actually very loose and big, so that you could feel it, right? And there are a lot of space between them. That means that there's a lot of space between them. So what does sandy soil tell us is it can trap lot of air, but it cannot trap water. And that is the reason, because it cannot trap water and it has a big particles, it is not good for growing plants. We cannot use sandy soil to grow plants. Okay. So where can we use sandy soil? If we cannot use sandy soil to grow plants, where can we use sandy soil? Please look at the screen and tell me.
Cement.
Yes, we can use sandy soil to make cements and building material. Okay, one by one, this is what I have got for you for sandy soil. So now one by one, tell me
Ma'am,
about sandy soil. Yes.
ma'am, if we grow a plant in cement, what will happen to that plant?
It will die, Muhammad Ali. Because cement becomes very hard. Then you cannot pour water and everything, and the plant will not get water, air.
Manha is
So
sleeping.
so the plant will die. Okay. Okay. Manha, we'll start with Manha. Manha, tell me something about sandy soil which you learned right now. We'll start with Manha, so that her sleep will go away. Umar, please turn on your screen. Umar, please turn on your screen. Umar, I want to see you, Umar.
Hey, Mustafa Qazi is also there. Hello, ma'am. Can you
Yes,
see me?
Mustafa. Yes, I can see you. Oh, you have joined with your mobile phone, Umar. Am I right?
No.
No? Okay. Manha, tell me something about sandy soil, quickly. One thing about sandy.
It is found in beaches and deserts.
Good. Muhammad Ali, you go next. Anything which you learned today about sandy soil? Muhammad Ali.
Sandy soil is being seen on the beaches because where there is water next to it, there is that. In deserts, cactus can grow a little bit. Some cactus can grow on sandy soil because cactus are grown in deserts only, and deserts are full of sandy soil.
Okay, deserts are full of sandy soil. Not many plants can grow in that sandy soil. Umar, go next. Umar, were you there when I was explaining you about sandy soil?
Only cactus because it doesn't need lot of water.
Yes. Yes. Who else can
Ma'am,
tell me about sandy soil? Umar, go
me.
next.
Sandy soil are also in beaches and in deserts and
How are the
they are,
particles of that soil?
what?
How are the particles of that soil? Can you tell me? Like when you touch, how is it? How does it feel?
It feels little smooth
Yes.
and and they are very solid, and when like they are very so that they're very smooth sand and they look very nice in beaches and deserts when we travel there, and when we see on YouTube, so it looks very beautiful. Deserts look very beautiful. So and it is smooth.
Okay. Umaima, Umar, listen, Umar. But how is the particle of the soil? Is it big, small? Can it trap water? Can it hold water? Or can it trap air? Can you tell me something about that, Umar?
Something about that. When in the beach in the water the water sandy soil in the water, it looks uh, very like mud. It looks
Okay.
like mud
Okay. Like
and
a mud. Wait, Umar. Wait, Umar. Okay. Let me go to Umaima. Umaima, quickly brief me. What did you learn about sandy soil? And how does its
plants can't
particles
grow
look
on
like? Does it
sandy
hold water or
soil.
not?
Plants can't grow on
Yes.
a sandy soil.
Okay, plants cannot grow on sandy soil. Why, Umaima? Why?
And
Why is
sandy
it so?
soil has very small holes, so water also can't go easily into the sand.
Okay, because in sandy soil cannot hold lot of water. Okay, that you have seen on the beaches, right? What happens? The water comes in and it drains away, and it does not hold lot of water, and that is why we cannot grow plants usually we cannot grow plants in sandy soil. Okay, and the particles are big so that you can feel it, right? If you go and see this clay soil's particles are very small, and it is very smooth, and it can hold lot of water. Sandy soil cannot hold lot of water. Okay, this is all for today. So bye bye everyone. Take care and be ready for your exam next week. Okay, your exams are going to start from Thursday, next Thursday. Before that, we'll do the revision of the exam.
Ma'am, what is the
Bye
syllabus?
bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, what's the
Syllabus is
syllabus?
you will have looking at the rocks. Okay, that is only one chapter which you have to do it. So rocks and the soil. Whatever I have taught you about the soil, little bit about the soil, especially the sandy soil, please read it and go through it. Okay. Bye bye everyone.
Bye bye.
Bye.